Welcome to the project demonstration of reverse gear mechanism for two-wheelers and also for go-karts. We can implement this mechanism. So in this project, we are going to transmit the driving shaft directly, which is attached to the AC induction motor. For the presentation purpose, we are using this. So in real time, this is going to be attached to the BLDC motor. So that shaft is connected to the the AC motor shaft attached to this main driving shaft, and from here there is another gears are attached. So here we are using, instead of spur gears for high torque, we are going to use of sprocket gears of the bike. So these two sprocket gears attached, and here also two sprocket gears attached, and the above is the main output shaft. So this is going to be attached to the main wheel for driving purpose. So when we on the motor, so it's rotating in one direction and this wheel in opposite direction. So this is going to be the neutral. So there, when we are driving that, so there is no input to the output shaft, the neutral one. So when we, this side is going to be the same input rotation opposite direction, and when we rotate this side, so that feeding was from the main shaft, the transmission is done to the another shaft, and from there to the output shaft, means 1, 2 and 3. And when we see normal position, and here, so that 1, 2, 3 directly. So considering 1 and 2 and 3, so the 1 is driving shaft directly and the output shaft is taking feeding directly from this input shaft. So you can observe this direction of rotation. So let us see the direction of rotation. So just I'm showing with my hand. So this is going to be the output shaft. So both are rotating in reverse direction, opposite direction. So in this, so both are rotating in same direction. Right. So let us see the demonstration directly from the input. So here also we can see the direction of rotation. So just giving the 230 volts input to this speed controller. This is going to be the speed controlling input device. So keep this initially low and this is increasing. So once, let us provide the keep it in normal position. You can see the rotations. Now it is in both are opposite direction of rotation. Now both are in same direction of rotation. You can observe now.